Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice story from SMARTROOTS Learning. Today's story is called The Robot Helper. Listen carefully and enjoy. Oliver received a small robot as a birthday gift from his uncle. It had shiny silver arms, blinking lights, and wheels that rolled smoothly. At first, Oliver used the robot to help tidy his toys. "Put the blocks in the box," he said, and the robot obeyed. Soon, the robot started cleaning more than it should. It picked up books, shoes, and even Oliver's homework papers. "Wait, not that!" Oliver shouted, laughing as he tried to stop it. The robot zoomed around the room until Oliver pressed the red button on its back. Finally, it stopped and beeped softly. Oliver realized he needed to give clearer instructions. From that day, he used the robot carefully and only for the right tasks. Thank you for listening to The Robot Helper. We hope you enjoyed the story and practiced your English listening skills. Don't forget, you can download the free worksheet for this story from the description. See you in the next listening practice.